Hello everyone. Are you looking for best camping essentials? Don't worry, go through the video. Here you will find all the latest and the best camping essentials of all time. If you like the product and want to buy them, then go through the description box where the links of the products are given. Product 1. Product name Otoland LED Camping Lantern with Ceiling Fan. The Otoland Portable LED Camping Lantern with Ceiling Fan is a versatile and essential tool for outdoor enthusiasts, especially those who prioritize comfort and functionality during camping trips or in emergency situations such as hurricanes. This product combines two crucial features: a bright LED lantern and a ceiling fan, making it perfect for various settings, including tents, RVs, and other small spaces. Key features: LED lantern provides bright and reliable lighting, ideal for nighttime activities and emergencies when electricity is unavailable. Adjustable brightness settings to suit different needs. Ceiling fan offers cooling and air circulation, can be hung inside tents or other confined spaces to provide relief from heat. Quiet operation ensures a peaceful environment. Product 2. Product name Stanley the Camp Pour Over Set. The Stanley the Camp Pour Over Set is an excellent addition to your collection of household kitchen appliances, particularly if you enjoy brewing coffee outdoors or on the go. This set combines durability, portability, and convenience, making it an ideal choice for coffee lovers who appreciate a good cup of pour-over coffee whether at home or in the wilderness. Comparison with other kitchen appliances. Compatibility. While not directly related to electric pallet jacks or cordless leaf blowers, the Stanley Pour-Over Set shares a common thread of quality and user-centric design. Much like a well-designed kitchen appliance or a high-performing cordless tool, this set prioritizes ease of use and reliability. Baking and cooking. For those who enjoy baking and cooking, the Stanley Pour-Over Set can be a perfect companion in the kitchen. Imagine starting your day with a freshly brewed cup of pour-over coffee before diving into your baking projects. Pet owners. If you're someone who prioritizes cleanliness and odor resistance, as seen in your preference for a stainless steel cat litter box, the easy-to-clean design of this pour-over set will likely appeal to you. Product 3. Product name Schlux Camping Hammock. The Schlux Camping Hammock is a versatile and portable option for outdoor enthusiasts, ideal for activities such as camping, beach outings, and even indoor use. Available in both double and single sizes, this hammock caters to various preferences and needs. Its light gray and sky blue color scheme offers a pleasing aesthetic that blends well with natural surroundings. Key features. Durability. Constructed from high-quality materials, the Schlux hammock is designed to withstand regular use and harsh outdoor conditions. The fabric is both strong and lightweight, ensuring comfort and longevity. Portability. The hammock comes with an attached carry bag, making it easy to pack and transport. This feature is especially useful for campers and hikers who need to save space and weight in their gear. Ease of setup. Included with the hammock are two tree straps, which simplify the setup process. The straps are adjustable, allowing for quick and secure installation between trees or other sturdy anchors. Product 4. Product name Camp Kitchen Cooking Utensil Set. The Camp Kitchen Cooking Utensil Set is an essential accessory for outdoor enthusiasts who enjoy backpacking, BBQs, camping, hiking, and travel. This set is designed to be portable, compact, and durable, making it an ideal addition to your outdoor gear. Benefits. Convenience. Having a dedicated set of utensils for outdoor cooking eliminates the need to use and potentially damage your home kitchen tools. Everything you need is in one place, reducing the chances of forgetting a critical item. Organization. The travel organizer keeps all utensils neatly stored and easy to access, preventing the hassle of rummaging through bags to find what you need. Enhanced outdoor cooking experience. With a proper set of utensils, you can cook more efficiently and enjoy the process, whether you're preparing a simple meal or a more elaborate campfire feast. Product 5. Product name Alpcore Portable Toilet with Portable Camping Sink. The Alpcore Portable Toilet with Portable Camping Sink is a versatile and convenient hygiene solution designed for various settings such as camping trips, RVs, boats, and other outdoor or indoor activities. This portable commode and sink combo offers a comprehensive travel hygiene station. ensuring comfort and cleanliness even in remote locations. Key features: portable and compact design. The Alpcore portable toilet is lightweight and compact, making it easy to transport and store. It comes with travel bags that enhance its portability, allowing users to take it on the go effortlessly. Convenient hygiene solution. This product includes both a toilet and a camping sink, providing a complete hygiene station. The sink is designed for easy hand washing and general cleaning, enhancing overall sanitation during outdoor activities. Sturdy and durable construction. Made with high-quality materials, the Alpcore portable toilet is built to withstand the rigors of outdoor use. Its robust construction ensures long-lasting durability and reliability. Product 6. Product name: Water Shoes. Water shoes are versatile footwear designed for various water-related activities and environments. They cater to both women and men and are essential for a range of activities such as swimming, beach outings, yoga, and camping. Uses and benefits. Swimming and beach activities. Offers protection from sharp shells, rocks, and hot sand, making beach outings more enjoyable. Yoga and exercise. Provides a non-slip grip and barefoot feel, ideal for yoga sessions and other exercises that require flexibility and balance. Camping and outdoor adventures. Perfect for activities involving water, such as kayaking, rafting, and exploring rivers or lakes, keeping feet dry and protected. Everyday use. Versatile enough for casual wear around pools or at home, combining comfort with practicality. Product 7. Product: Silfari 2-Pack Extra Large Travel Laundry Bag. The Silfari 2-Pack Extra Large Travel Laundry Bag is a practical and efficient solution for managing dirty clothes, especially while traveling. Here is an overview of its features and benefits. Benefits. Organization. The Silfari laundry bags help keep your dirty clothes organized and separated from your clean ones, which is particularly useful during travel. Durability. The heavy-duty material ensures that the bags can handle the weight and volume of a full load of laundry, making them a reliable travel companion. Convenience. With their large capacity and drawstring closure, these bags make it easy to manage laundry on the go. They fit well into hampers and baskets, streamlining the process of collecting and transporting dirty clothes. Space efficient. Their ability to fit into laundry hampers or baskets means they don't take up extra space, which is crucial when packing for a trip.